All right, guys, I don't know why, but it's been a bit hard to come back to YouTube for whatever reason, whatever the excuse is. Let's just forget about it. Let's move on. Let's get back on the Tiguan, get that done, and then jump back on the F350 and start working on that. Let's not waste any time. Let's get back to work. Let's go. In this episode, we're going to tackle the seat, the front seat airbag, and then we're going to change the seat belts. Now, to remove the headrest, there's a button on the left side. It goes up and down. But to actually remove it, there's a hidden button somewhere over here that you have to press. You press like this, and this thing comes out like that. Yeah, I might as well rip that because I don't need this seat cover anymore. And then the seat bag, there's a clip, yellow clip. And get this out. And that's good to go. Here we go. All right, so now the airbag is removed and replaced. Now I'm just gonna wait for the foam with the seat cover. When I put that on, that's done. Now I'm gonna tackle the seat belts and start removing the plastics and unbolting the seat belts. I'm gonna go ahead and start tackling the harness right here. Gonna get this fixed. Gonna straighten out this corner a little bit. Install this cap right here. And then hopefully by the end of this video, I'll have the bumper painted and I'll go pick it up and we're gonna install it and she's gonna be done. All right.
what you said. It makes it hard to believe, and why I lose my head. I just want the company of anyone. That's why I'm sleeping with the TV on. Guess we're caught in the moment, like lovers do. Will you please leave the light on if you wanted to? I just want the company of anyone. That's why I'm sleeping with the TV on. I just want the company of anyone. That's why I'm sleeping with the TV on. Do you still call my name sometimes in your dreams? Do you still feel the same? Do you still call my name sometimes in your dreams? Do you still feel the same? I just want the company of anyone. That's why I'm sleeping with the TV on. I just want the company of anyone. That's why I'm sleeping with the TV on. I just want the company of anyone. That's why I'm sleeping with the TV
So pretty much in the back corner here, I pretty much straightened out the back corner as best as I could. Right here we got about 3 layers of steel, maybe even more, but it's a lot thicker, so I couldn't really straighten this out. But as far as the corner goes, that's good to go. Installed all the sensors, plugged everything in. On this side, on the bottom, I'm assuming that's another crash sensor maybe. And these are the blind corner sensors, that's reinstalled. The forklift guys messed up one of my cables. Right here, that's the cable that goes to the ABS. And then right now, nothing's working. Parking brake's not working. ABS not working, traction control's not working. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and tackle this little, pull it out over here, get it done pretty quickly over here, and then put it back in, go for a drive, and hopefully all the codes go away. let's see what we get. So I had the... Okay, so only the park brake is flashing right now. Yeah, so I might have to stop by and take care of that. Or I might have to just go for a drive and it might go away. Let's see what we have on the screen here. Doors, electric parking brake. So might be the only thing is the parking brake that I have to take care of. Stop by the guy again and see what happens. But I'm gonna go for a drive first. Put the wheel on, go for a drive, and see what we get. Alright, and now all the lights are gone. Just had to go for a little short trip down the street and pretty much all the lights disappeared. Even the airbag light was, I guess, connected to the speed sensor somehow. I don't know how, but... So now I'm gonna go ahead and go to the brake and light inspection, get that done, and start registration. Alright guys, and the Tiguan is done. Everything is good. All the lights are out. Drive's good. No issues. I did all the paperwork, finalized the VIN verification, smog and brake and light inspection. All of that is passed and ready to go. So that'll be it for this girl. Little project, pretty quick one. Looks good. Wife likes it, and now we're off to the next one. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick little build. I'm happy to be back, and we'll see you in the next one.